That's right. Girls and boys, space base, friends and family, in-laws, outlaws, past, present, future tense, customers of Ideal Electric, everybody on the line. We're at a different job now. We're going to put a Tesla charger in under panels. Should be super easy and go really quick. We'll find out. Skylar says we're screwed now. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted. That cord is mint, y'all. Look at this. 2-wire open conductors. Brand new electric tank. So we're just adding the Tesla charger right under this panel. We've been in this house before. We had a downstairs bedroom, full bathroom, and a hallway, and an upstairs bedroom, full bathroom, all on one 15-amp circuit. The last time we came here, said bedroom 1 and 2. It was great trying to find the arc fault and that. We ended up splitting that circuit because for some reason, I don't even know how to say that. Grauman, Bayou, Beige. If anybody knows how to pronounce whatever Swahili this is, put it down there in the comments. I'd appreciate it. But when they wired the house, they pulled enough home runs. I guess they were just maybe saving money on breakers, and so they put 2 home runs on 1 breaker. I don't know. It was super fun to find it. But we talked the homeowner into adding a breaker and splitting them up. So now we're back to put in a Tesla charger. Stay tuned.
90 for 5. 90 for 5.
Say that again?
90 for 5% chance of rain today.
90 for 5. Ricky, I think Skylar might be from Alabama too, and he just don't know it. Yeah. There's a new rule. Nobody's allowed to say anything funny unless video is rolling. You got it?
You're old.
Oh, you think that's funny, Ricky? No chicken wings for either. And just like that.
Don't miss Ricky's.
No. Hey, it lit up. Green light's on. Must be working. Get this cover back on here. And this mess. Look at this mess. Who does this?
Ricky, the copper will be there when we're done.
Jeez. Yeah, Ricky, I'm going to step on your fingers trying to get over here and do work. Look at you. You're taking a piece of wire and sweeping it out from under my feet so you can get it before we're done working?
Yeah.
I mean, we got time, Ricky.
Don't worry, he claimed dibs.
All right, labeled up. Tesla charger, 50 amp. Wall mount plate. Your own little charging station. Ready to go. Still don't know what that says. It's weird. We tried to Google translate it, and I don't think they could spell in any language. I don't know. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this weird, super short video.